At SLCC, we breed heroes. No, not the cape-wearing kind. The everyday kind of heroes. The life-saving kind. The ones that maintain medical and industrial transport helicopters, ensure our planes are safe for travel, and conduct heavy maintenance on both civilian and military aircraft. The kind of heroes we breed are the ones with a passion for what they do. Our aviation technology program lets you master real-world skills in a hands-on environment where you'll learn how to inspect, maintain, and repair mechanical and electrical aviation systems. Once you graduate, you'll be prepared for the FAA's airframe and power plant exams, and just steps away from beginning your career as a hero. Whether you want to work in general aviation, personal aircraft maintenance, as a mechanic, shop foreman, or director of maintenance, SLCC will prepare you for life in aviation maintenance after graduation. We believe the best way to create heroes is to give our students knowledge that empowers them, transparency so they know what to expect, and motivation to drive them to be the best around. And our small class sizes, low tuition rates, and knowledgeable faculty make becoming a hero even easier. So what are you waiting for? Be your own industry driver, problem solver, lifesaver. Be your own hero at SLCC. Visit our programs page to learn more about our aviation maintenance technology program at SLCC.